Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 number systems exercise 1.6. Write down question 1. First question, 64 power 1 by 2. 64 power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 squares, 8 square, 8 into 8. So 8 8s are 64. 8 square the whole power 1 by 2. Now 2 to cancel. So answer is 8. Okay. 1 by 2 means square of 64. Square root of 64. 8. Next, second question, 32 the whole power 1 by 5. 32 the whole power 1 by 5. Now take LCM. 32 2 table, 16 2s are 32, 2, 8 2s are 16, 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 1 2 3 4 5. 2 power 5, here also 1 divided by 5. So 2 power 5 equal to 32. 5 5 cancel, multiply and divide cancel. So answer is 2. Third question, 125 power of 1 by 3. Take LCM. 125, 5 table, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 1 2 3. So 5 power 3 whole power 1 divided by 3. 5 power 3 the whole power 1 divided by 3. So 3 3 cut, multiply and divide, cut. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Understand? 125 equal to 5 power 3. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. Write down second question. Find 9 power 3 by 2. 9 power 3 by 2. Same way first question. 9, how will write 3 square? 9, 3 square equal to 9. So 2 and multiply and divide, cut. So answer 3 power 3. 3 power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Yes. Next 32 the whole power 2 power 5. 32 the whole power 2 power divided by 5. 2 divided by 5. 32 how will write? Already did for first sum. 32 2 table 16. Again 2 table 8. Again 2 table 4. 2 2s are 4. So 2 power 5 the whole power 2 divided by 5. 2 power 5 the whole power 2 divided by 5. 5 5 cancel. So answer 2 square. 2 power 2. 2 2s are 4. Next is 16. 16 power 3 by 4. Take LCM 16. 2 table. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 power 4. The whole power 3 by 4. 4 4 cancel. So answer 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Next 125 the whole power minus 1 by 3. Already we did for first sum. 125 take LCM. 25 5 table, 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table, 5 5s are 25. So 5 power 3 the whole power minus 1 by 3. The 5 power 3 the whole power minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel, 5 power minus 1. Already we know for one formula, a power minus m equal to 1 divided by a power m. A power minus m equal to 1 divided by a power m. So 5 power minus m, 5 power minus 1 equal to 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. Otherwise 5 power 1. 5 power 1 means 5 years. Okay. Understand? Yes. Write down the third question. Simplify 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5. 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5. Both base are same, power only different. Base both are 2, 2. One formula is there, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m, base both are same, means power add only. Okay, power add. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here both are same base, so add power value 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now take LCM. Denominator is different. Take LCM. 3 5s are 10. Cross multiply. 5 2s are 10. 3 1s are 3. So 10 plus 3 divided by 15. Final answer 2 power 10 plus 3 13. 13 divided by 15. Listen one more. 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Denominator is different. Denominator same means no problem. Add numerator, but here denominator is different. 3 comma 5. Take LCM means 3 comma 5. First 3 table 1 5. Again 5 table 1 1. So 3 5s are 15. LCM is 15. Now cross multiply. Power denominator different means cross multiply. 5 2s are 10 and 3 into 1 3. 10 plus 3 13 divided by 15. Next second question. 1 divided by 3 power 3 the whole power 7. 1 divided by 3 power 3 the whole power 7. Suppose 1 power 7 means 1. 1 power 7 means 1. One formula a power m. Otherwise another one formula 1 divided by a power m equal to a power minus m. 1 divided by a power m equal to a power minus m. Okay, 1 divided by a power m equal to a power minus m. So 1 divided by 3 power 3 equal to 3 power minus 3 the whole power 7. Okay, 1 divided by a power m equal to a power minus m the whole power 7. Now one formula a power m into n. A power m the whole n. A power m the whole power n equal to a power m into n. Okay, a power m into n. So minus 3 into 7 minus 21. Minus 3 into 7 minus 21. See the formula a power m the whole power n equal to a power m into n. Next sum 11 power 1 by 2 divided by 11 power 1 by 4. 11 power 1 by 2 divided by 11 power 1 by 4. Here both bases are same. Both bases are same 11 11. So one formula a power m divided by a power n. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Suppose multiply means a power m into a power n means a power m plus n. Divide means here minus. So 11 power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. A power m minus n means 11 power minus 1 by 4. Otherwise 11 power 1 by 2, use this formula a power 1 divided by a power m equal to a power minus m. So 11 power minus 1 by 4. Now both bases are same. So a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here minus 1 by 4. So put minus 1 by 4. Now LCM, take LCM 2 and 4. 2 comma 4 means LCM same. 2 comma 4 means 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are LCM 4. Now multiply and divide 2 2. Multiply and divide 2 2. So 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So 2 minus 1, the divide by 4 equal to 11 power. 2 minus 1 means 1 divided by 4. Last question. 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. Here both base are same, but power is, both are not same. Power is same. Both the base are different. Power is same. One formula is there. A power m into b power m equal to a into b the whole power m. Formula importance. A power m into b power m equal to a into b the whole power m. So 7 into 8 the whole power 1 by 2. A power m into b power m equal to a into b. 7 into 8 the whole power m means 1 by 2. 7 8s are 56 the whole power 1 by 2. Okay. Thank you.